Hi folks, I know a lot of people have a lot of trouble with these connectors when they're trying to internally wire their handlebars. These are on the ends of the harness and they connect to the rest of the harness inside the backbone underneath the tank. Now I already have this disassembled, but I'm going to show you the easy way to do it. And basically what you're going to do is there would be wires from the handlebar controls coming in this way. And what you're going to do is just pop this little tab up. You pop up the other side, like so, and don't snap it. Or don't drop it. Okay, so now we got two pieces, and that's the inside. Now all we have to do is, remember there would still be wires here, so this would just slide up the wires and get it out of the way. And what I do is just take this little screwdriver and I can pry this up, and again you're going to have wires going through this. So you just slide this up, out of the way, and now if you look in there, okay, you would have wires running through there, and the terminals would be on the end. They would be pointing out of that. Okay, you would have little metal ends there. It would be the connectors. And the only thing you have to do for that is you take you a pair of needle nose, right in the middle. See those two D-shaped holes? You put it in there. Right? I don't know if you can see that where I got it. And then you just gently pull and it'll come out. Now that's not going to have any wires on it. That'll come out just like that. And then here's the fun. These are the tabs that everyone talks about, and they'll release the connectors. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Okay. I'm going to put one back in, and I'm going to show you what it would look like. Okay. You see that? See, I got that wire in there? Okay. Now, you see that tab in there? You push that tab up, you'll be able to release that wire. Just like that. See? So they're really not that difficult to take apart. A little annoying, but not that difficult. Now, let me mention before you attempt to take these apart, definitely make a diagram. I'll show you what mine looks like. I know the artwork is not that great, but I understand it, and that's why I marked it with an X, because that's how the wires are going to go back in, so I shouldn't have any problems. I do have the service manual which has all the wiring diagrams, and if I had to, I could reference that. But this is a lot quicker and a lot easier because I know what I do. So I think that ends this little how-to on the douche connectors on the late model Harley Davidsons. If you have any questions, you can comment on this video, or you can go ahead and visit any of the websites out there like hdforums.com. That's a really great website. I've met quite a few nice people off of there. A lot of people really know their stuff, and you just remember that there's always someone who's been there before you and probably knows a trick. So enjoy. And, excuse me, because I'm a little messy today. Whatever. I hope you enjoyed this.